So hey everyone, welcome back to another fantastic video with Voicemod. So today's Voicemod video is this text to song feature, which I haven't seen a lot of people made videos on before. So I thought why not make a video on, and also in this video as well I'll show you to actually import your text to song into Voicemod, just in case you want to use it on Voicemod. So again, this is a completely free tool with Voicemod. At the moment, I believe it is free. But that could change down the line, or probably down the line that some songs that you will have to pay for. But other than that, this is a completely free tool to use online. So you have to go to Voicemod. Alright, at the top end it says text to song, click on it, and then you go down to the bottom, click generated song for free. So now we need to click our theme song, which I'm gonna go for. La 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 la. Next, now I'm gonna click my card out, or at least listen to these cards. La 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 la. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy. Nani no. La 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 la. Nani 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 na. I like it, because it sounds a bit like Ed Sheeran, a little bit. That's probably when he's called Ed. So I'm going to copy and paste my links which I already got, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I just paste that a couple times. So once you go to this point now, get your song lyrics, get your name of your song, and you quit song. Now you wait for it to regenerate song. We should just take a few couple of minutes. It doesn't usually take long. It's pretty quick. So this is all website based. So now we got our song. It's quite the cool thing about it too. It does give you an option to have the voice and the music, or the voice only. So that one, then you go is just come on, you do text to piece, and then you got your own beat. That sounds quite similar. So I can show you now. Piece, and then you got your own beat. That sounds quite similar. So I can show you now.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
This part, the voice and the sound.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the.
Which I was saying, I click download now. So you could either download a voice or video. So you could probably use like the video itself on like YouTube or YouTube Shorts or anything like that. But obviously I'm going to just download the song purposely for Voicemod. So once now your sound Voicemod is put up, go to assembled. Then what I'm going to do is just re-import it to this for now. Which I'm going to grab the song, which is in my download files. Hit it, and it's there.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit.
So yeah, that's pretty much what we want to do for this tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.